The Bugoma Tropical Rainforest Reserve in western Uganda is home to hundreds of species of trees, some of them rare, and many animals like these baboons. About 500 endangered chimpanzees live here too. Environmentalists say the forest is being destroyed to make way for a sugar plantation. CONSTANTINO TESSARIN runs a lodge for tourists who come to see the wildlife. He says some of the forest's protection has been removed by irregular court rulings. He's campaigned against it.
It is very uncommon, and probably nowhere else in the world, that we can see a government telling us that in writing and in communication that this is a protected reserve, and that's why people have come to invest, and in the following day, that protected reserve ceases to exist without an explanation.
The campaigners say part of the forest has been given to a company called HOIMA Sugar. HOIMA Sugar says it's using only privately owned grassland next to the forest.
Sustainable development and environmental protection can coexist. That we can have our land, put it to use, have sugarcane, employ Ugandans, contribute to the tax base of this nation while maintaining the biodiversity that is our neighbor. I think the only crime we are committing now is that we are neighbors to Bugoma Forest.
The activists say the site is guarded by Ugandan special forces, and that suggests powerful politicians are involved.
It is because of corruption. The institutions that are given the mandate to protect these resources are actually conniving with other government officials and investors to destroy the resources.
The activists also say HOIMA Sugar's owners are hidden and its records have been removed from the public registry.
It's not hidden, it's public knowledge. It's investors.
Who are these investors?
I don't have that off my head. I can research and get back to you. I can check in my files and get the proper names of who is behind HOIMA Sugar.
Villagers living around the forest have already cut down some trees to make space to grow sugarcane. They hope to sell to the company. The environmentalists say if nothing is done, the rest of the forest will eventually suffer the same fate. Malcolm Webb, Al Jazeera.